Anxiety quietly interferes with the way the body prepares to rest. It keeps the mind stuck in a constant state of alert, even when everything around you is calm. Many people spend hours tossing and turning, replaying moments from the day, imagining problems that don't exist yet, and fighting against a body that seems to speed up instead of slowing down. Today, we explore why this happens, how anxiety deeply affects sleep, and what you can do to regain more peaceful, restorative nights. If this content resonates with you, feel free to like the video, subscribe to WellState, and turn on notifications. It helps us bring well-being, mental health, and quality of life content to more people. When we're anxious, the body activates the fight or flight response, releasing chemicals like adrenaline and cortisol. These substances raise your heart rate, tense your muscles, and keep the mind alert. This response is meant to be temporary, but when anxiety becomes frequent, the body stays in this heightened state for much longer. And what does that mean in practice? It means your body becomes biologically less prepared to fall asleep. The mind keeps racing, looking for something urgent to solve, and sleep simply has no room to settle in. Anxiety also affects sleep quality, even when you manage to fall asleep. Many people wake up in the middle of the night with a sense that something is wrong, struggle to fall back asleep, or experience light, fragmented sleep that doesn't restore anything. This happens because anxiety reduces the time spent in the deeper stages of sleep, the ones responsible for mental and physical recovery. The body sleeps, but it doesn't rest. As people notice the problem, a new form of anxiety often appears: anxiety about sleep itself. There's the fear of having another bad night, the pressure to fall asleep quickly, the constant clock checking. Each passing minute increases the worry, activating the alert system even more and making sleep even harder. A cycle begins. Anxiety leads to insomnia, insomnia increases anxiety, and the brain starts associating the bed with tension rather than rest. Breaking this cycle requires rebuilding the relationship between the mind, the body, and sleep. And one of the most effective ways to do that is by improving sleep hygiene. Small, consistent habits make a difference. Reducing intense stimulation before bed is essential. Bright lights, screens, and mentally demanding activities keep the brain active at a time when it should be slowing down. Creating a calmer environment, softer lighting, comfortable temperature, minimal noise, makes it easier for the body to shift out of alert mode. Establishing a nighttime wind-down routine is also extremely helpful. The body responds well to repeated signals. A few minutes of slow breathing, reading something light, doing gentle stretches, or taking a warm shower can tell the brain it's time to switch gears. This gradual transition is like turning down the volume on the day. It's not about falling asleep instantly, but about giving the body enough space to naturally find its way toward rest. It's also important to recognize the role of thoughts. When the mind starts creating scenarios or running through lists of worries, one helpful strategy is to acknowledge those thoughts without fighting them. Writing things down before bed can give the brain the sense that nothing important will be forgotten. Focusing on physical sensations, the breath, the weight of the mattress on the bed, brings attention back to the present and slows the mental rhythm. Small daytime habits matter too. Regular physical activity reduces muscle tension and helps regulate stress hormones. Morning sunlight exposure keeps your body's internal clock aligned. Lighter meals at night help prevent discomfort that could interfere with sleep. These simple behaviors, when combined, strengthen the body's natural sleep mechanisms and weaken anxiety's grip. Every person responds differently. Some notice improvements quickly, others need more time. Some may benefit from professional support to work through deeper layers of anxiety. What matters most is understanding that a few difficult nights don't define you, and they don't mean you're losing control. Sleep is a natural process, and when you offer the right conditions, it gradually finds its way back to rest. If this video was helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming content from WellState. Thank you for being here and taking care of your well-being with us. Wishing you a calmer, more restful night ahead.